chemistry review topic 22, separating mixtures. Okay, so when you have a mixture, it could be homogeneous or heterogeneous, and the way we separate it may be related to that. So distillation first. We can separate two liquids based on their differences in boiling point. Okay. With evaporation, we can separate an aqueous solution. So something that has been dissolved in water, we can separate it like that. Okay. Distillation uses the concept of condensation, collecting that liquid when we go through the evaporation process. If something does not fully dissolve, so say you mixed sand and water, you can use filtration. You can use sieving, or that's to kind of get out larger chunks. Okay. And we can use chromatography. Chromatography mostly for pigments, and it separates based on molecular polarity, which has to do with the attraction for the paper or the solvent, and also based on particle size, right? So it separates based on a few things. So ways to separate mixtures. So remember, mixtures are physically combined. Compounds are chemically combined. So mixtures, since they're physically combined, we can physically separate them. Compounds are chemically combined, so we cannot physically separate them. Okay, that's the difference for which ones we can physically separate. So we can separate mixtures physically because they've been combined physically. All right, I hope that helps. Separating mixtures.